Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the vaccination, immunization and autoimmunity, which are very short topics given in our NCERT book. So what is vaccination? Vaccination is act of taking vaccine. What happens in vaccination? Pathogens, weakened pathogen introduced in the body, and against that pathogen body prepare antibodies. Weakened or inactivated pathogen introduced in the body and to produce the antibodies against that pathogen. Vaccine also produce B and T memory cells to give the quick response against that pathogen when will be encountered. Vaccine can be taken orally or injected. Some vaccines, polio, DPT, BCG, hepatitis B. Now come to the immunization. Immunization is the process of vaccination. Vaccination is the act of taking vaccine. And what happens in the when we take vaccine? But in the immunization program, what will be? This is the process of vaccination by which a person become protected against the disease. For example, polio immunization program. Sometimes direct in the immunization program or in the vaccination, antibodies produced. Sometimes antibodies need to taken directly, preformed antibodies need to taken directly. In that case, called passive immunization. That case called passive immunization. For example, antitoxin taken in the case of tetanus or antivenom taken in the case of snake bite. In these two cases, preformed antibodies directly taken into the body. Now come to the autoimmunity. When our body unable to recognize its own cell, when our body's immune system, in autoimmunity, when our immune system unable to differentiate between the self cell and foreign cells, on that time start our immune systems, our body cells to destroy. That time it produces disease called autoimmune disease. When the immune system attacks self cell and damage the body called autoimmune disease. This example of autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis are the example of autoimmunity. So this is little knowledge about the vaccination, immunization and autoimmunity. Thank you.